So it's Sunday morning on N Street. The town's already moving. Walkers, shoppers, the smell of coffee somewhere. Right in the middle of it all, there's Elizabeth. Every week she brings her mother's cookies over from Nantucket Bound Cookies, and sets up right under this red umbrella. I rode my e-bike, parked it against the curb, and just stood there for a minute. That's the part people don't actually see. That's the looking, the important part. The umbrella was the obvious anchor, the red against the green hedges behind it. But what really caught me was the light on the brick, all that warm pink and violet hiding in the shadows on the walkway. It's only 8 by 10 inches, oil and panel. It was fast and loose for me, and no time to actually overthink it. I wanted the people moving through to feel like they were actually moving, not poised, just passing through on the way to somewhere else. This is the kind of scene I love the most. It's not a landscape really, not a still life, just a town being a town on a Sunday morning. And somehow that's where the most honest paintings come from.